What was missing was the communication that was happening within the teams, within the departments. That was the major gap that I noticed. And what I did was a simple thing. I asked each and every person to have a strong rapport with each other. So we did our exercise. We went through a half a day of fantastic experience where only key stakeholders are there, and with the kind of bond that they created because of that small experience that I took them through, that is where because of the bonding they become so close to each other that even before something happens, one of the department head could anticipate that this could be an error and this will give a major problem in the production, and that is where we will have a client escalation. And right in time, this was identified, and that's how they communicated it with the production, and they changed immediately. So they didn't wait for QC, they didn't wait for any kind of R&D report, but they acted at the moment because there was one small thing that was noticed by a department head. But that could happen only when they came together as one single unit and not working in silos and saying that, oh, this is not my job, this is
I
somebody.
think I think your point is very valid in terms of two things that I would like to add is when it is an organization, anybody can lead. That's the first point that we can look at, because if there is a challenge and if it is going to affect the organization's reputation, then I think it's the first choice that they have to at least report. Maybe if it is considered or not considered, that's a sec. You'll have to. When it comes to the organizations, the second point that I would like to say is we are there till the organization is there, and it becomes our responsibility to look at minute things which can affect. It becomes overall responsibility to have a healthy organization when we look at some of the issues that we can see, right? So that's where I think majorly we see people should look at overall picture, and that's where I think these pointers come in. When somebody identifies an issue and they tell about it, then it's great to have that kind of a feedback done.